What are you doing?
What do you mean? I'm about to put in these Lee fans.
Those fans cost $120 for 3.
So?
Are you stupid?
That's kind of mean.
Is this your first time building? Because those are premium fans that you're trying to put in a budget system.
It is my first time.
Why would you not use GIM fans?
What's GIM?
Let me show you.
Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech Vibe. Today we're going to be looking at some RGB fans that you guys can probably actually afford. Now I do want to say, the Lee fan, it's a good looking fan. Comes with a premium look, but it also comes with a premium price. And a small sacrifice, and you're left one. I'll let you decide what left one. Now because of the prices of the Corsair and the Lee fans, it's completely understandable that some of you guys would want a more budget-friendly option. I get it. GIM reached out to me about a week or so ago and asked if I'd be interested in doing a review on some of their RGB fans, which I definitely had to take up because some of you guys had actually reached out to me in the comments and asked if I could do a review on some RGB fans. So I said yes. So I requested some of their fans and 2 of their light strips. I did a video not too long ago where I built my daughter her first gaming PC for her birthday, and I knew this was going to be a great opportunity to really turn up the RGB in her PC. If you guys are interested in seeing that video, you can catch it up here. Installation of the GIM fans was very simple and very similar to the Asia Horse fans that I had installed into the system prior. The hub that comes with the GIM fan supports up to 10 fans and 2 light strips. Now one thing that I was actually very happy to see is I didn't actually have to hook up the hub to the motherboard in order to get the fans to all work. Now this is especially nice because you don't always get a lot of I/O options when you're dealing with a more budget-friendly motherboard. So it's good to see that they did that. Now another thing I was actually pretty pleased with was the compatibility with the current CPU cooler. Now I did mention it before, but for those of you that haven't seen the video, I did have to make a modification to the Asia Horse fan to get it to work with the CPU cooler. So it was pretty nice that I actually didn't have to do that this go around, and it just kind of fit on. Now I know I've given them a lot of praise so far, but another thing that I was actually happy with was the light strips. I was having a small panic attack when I was getting ready to try and install these because I thought that I had to get some sticky stuff to make them stay in place and, get them how I wanted them so they wouldn't move when I started moving around the system. And to my pleasant surprise, they're magnetic, so they stuck right where I wanted them to and they didn't move. So that was nice. So good job there. Now as far as temperatures go, I didn't have any issues. Thermals were right where I expected them to be and everything stayed as cool as I needed it to. These fans performed just as well as my Asia Horse ones did. Now the prices for these fans are not bad at all. Right now you can pick up a 3-pack for $25. That's almost $100 less than a 3-pack for Lee fans. That's quite the savings. So if you're on a budget and you're wanting to get RGB, this isn't a bad go. If you're looking for different colors or styles, they do have a few that they offer that vary in price, but still pretty dang affordable. After getting everything installed, the lights actually looked really good. In fact, the only time that I ever had an issue was trying to get the remote to do what I thought I was telling it to do. The remote comes with a very simple layout that looks fairly self-explanatory. So I thought I had it under control as to what I was doing and what I was pushing and what I expected the lights to do. Now, this may be completely user error on my end, I don't know, but I think that the mapping of this remote may have been wrong because I could not get it to always do what I thought I was telling it to do. Trying to change the RPMs of the fan seemed to work fine on the remote, but when it came to trying to mess with the brightness of the fans, it seemed to want to do something else. Aside trying to navigate what appeared to be the mismapping of this remote, everything actually worked out pretty well. Now, one last complaint that I actually had that I don't think I can pin on GIM here was trying to change the RGB fan color in the system actually ended up changing my wall light and my sign as well, but they weren't in tandem in colors, so they would just kind of do their own thing and do their own modes, which I didn't like. It was hard to set up a shot that way, so I don't think that's GIM's fault. All in all, guys, these are really affordable fans that get the job done and look good while doing it. As you guys know, you can always ask me questions if you do have any extra, and if you are looking for these fans, I'll have links in the description. If you guys got some sort of value out of this, I ask you please consider giving the video a like. It really does do so much for my channel. It tells YouTube that I'm a decent YouTuber, so they put my videos out there for more people to see, and I potentially get the chance to help out somebody else. And that's what we try to do on this channel, guys. I really do my best to help out where I can. We do tech news, how-tos, reviews, and PC builds. I really do try to help. If you guys do me that favor, I'd appreciate it. That's gonna do it for the video. I hope you can like, I hope you can subscribe. And if not, well, I hope to catch you in another one. And remember, it's a vibe, a tech vibe. Specifically, we'll see you. Is he gone? You think he'll notice if I put these in?